Okay, I'm going to show you how to tie up the cat butt. First, we start by getting it lined up down the middle. Just pinch, grab. We can just pull this out like that. Get it nice and flat. Line up your inside collar. Cool. We will use the black marker real quick to get our little kitten feet. And go on up. There we go. Appropriate size right there for a kitty. Here we go, little kitten foot. Right there into the butt. And then we're gonna go and just do a straight tail on this one. I like to draw a heart right there for where the little kitty brown eye would be. So a little bit of love right there. Get a nice heart how you want it, and that's what we're going to tie first. Alright, let's see here. You can see the heart. I'm going to go ahead and tie that heart. I'm going to pinch it up in just a few folds. Go, make sure your lines are straight. Yeah, make sure that the lines are nice and straight. There we go. Get nice crisp corners with it. There, you get to send you down, around, and under. I like to wrap it 3 or 4 times, so I can just press down, pull till it stops. Do it 3 times again. Right there. There we go. Wrap it once to secure it. We're going to cut that sinew line. Here we go, and then we're going to just tie this all the way up in one line. Just go straight with your line. Pick up another corner, attach it when you round a corner. Come back around over here on the other side. That foot's a little difficult, but we get through it. Go, and just keep following the lines all the way up around its hindquarters. Pinch that line straight, line it up. make sure that you create this tight little line. Go. Get up there to the tail, get that corner, and we're going to follow that tail all the way back on up. Make sure it's nice and lined up. There we go, all the way around that tip. I'm going to pinch it nice and tight. Go, pinch it nice and tight. Get underneath there with the sinew. Follow that line, get it nice and snug. Wrap it, 3 or 4 times. And then the next step, I'm going to throw the sleeves inside of each other and scrunch them all up. This is your time right here. Here we go. We're going to pull inside of here, grab our other side, pull this out. And then we're going to stash that inside of itself. So we're going to start up our little scrunch right here. Scrunch this up. I like to push the scrunch nice and tight, all up inside those little pleats. Break them up a little bit, make them look a little chaotic. We got good control of that line for the cat. And we're just going to scrunch everything on up in there. Alright, once we have a good solid amount of this all scrunched up chaotically and random, we're going to put our first rubber band on here. Make sure they're all about the same height. And then double band your first spot, going away from that image. And then here we go. Scrunch the rest of it up. Here we go. Band it. Scrunch it all up in there so that it's nice and tight. I like to let these things dry before I dye them, so I'm not going to show you how to dye it today, but I will explain that you dye your first inside spot, pink because that's your heart or whatever. You can dye the cat black, gray, orange. You can leave it white, whatever you like. But get this all nice and tight and scrunched up. Keep the fabric back from touching for your cat and your background. There we go. Just wanted to see if I could do this in about 10 minutes, and I did. So here we go. The inside of this, you can even, tighten this up a little bit with a little triple band action. Make sure your cat has some space. We can come up here and pull this band, tighten it up even more. get this up underneath there so that that doesn't go. Here we go. That's your cat butt. Enjoy.